Hey guys, this is Edward Stanley, aka Simple Graphics. So today I want to make a short video on weekend design. There will be no much write up on it, but it's going to be short. So I promise you that. So this size I use is 4 by 5, 4 for the width and 5 on the height. So you can just I like making it thousands, like 4,000 by 5,000, so that it will look large. But you can just as well write 4 or 5. So this is the size, and it's just a quick video. So first of all, I want to type my word weekend. Don't really like that, so weekend. Okay. So I'm going to increase it, and I'm going to choose Bevers. There's a font called Bevers New. So this is what I'll be using. Increase the size. I want to reduce the line spacing to the lowest, and then I will just need to centralize it. So the next thing I'm going to write is thank God it's Friday. Thank God it's Friday. Alright, so this so I'm just going to use Montserrat, a popular font, bold, and I'm going to reduce the size. Okay, and I will centralize it too. So I want to be importing my background. I downloaded an image already on Pinterest, and I'm just going to use it. So this is it, and I will just use relative size, take it to the handle, then send to the back. So I will pin it. So seeing that this is the picture is just the image, and we can actually put this picture this write up on the back of the picture. So I just remove the background of the picture with photo room. So if you don't know how to remove background on photo room, you can go back and watch the video on this channel on YouTube. Check it out. So what I want to do is I want to first of all change this color of text to white. Yes, then thank God it's Friday. So white, and then I want to import I'll log this. I want to import the picture, this same picture, but the one I removed the background. So this is just it. So I'm still going to use relative size to just take it to the ending, so it will lap with the other one. So this is it. So I'm going to lock the picture so that it won't be moving, and then what I can add is I can add a shape here. Yeah, so I can add a shape here. Just write my name. Don't worry about this noise. Simple graphics. So I'm using a Montserrat to write the name. Let me say I'll write my let me write my social media and my Instagram and Simple Graphics 1. So I'm using letter C. So I'll first of all change the text to Montserrat, and let's use me. Let's say yes, we use this medium, most red medium, and there's something I want to change. I want to change this specific C to a social media icon. So I have a text, or I have a font that actually changes letters to social media icon. So I'll just look for it, fonts. So this is it. So you can see it's actually for Instagram. I don't know why, but we just use it like that. So I'm making it smaller, centralize it, let the black be sharp, and yeah. So I think we can still do something else. Let me move these things down a little. I think it's too uppy. Is there an English like uppy? This I'll move it down a little, down, but they can still get the message actually. So I want to make something like a glass shape. So the reason I want to do this, I want to put it on my, I want to use it. So this is the shape. I'll reduce the opacity of the inside. So let's say like this, and then I'm going to add white stroke to it, and let's say we're giving it 5, and we have something like this. So I will just centralize it, and I think I will take a bit up. Okay, so we're done with our design. This is just what I want to do. Thank God it's Friday, just a Friday design, and so we are done. But I still want to do something. Anytime you are saving, save with PNG Ultra. I tell you guys, so I want to do something very quickly with another app. So it's saving, so I'll just go to, I want to use Snapseed. So Snapseed, I'm going to import picture. So this is it. So I want to do something, I want to make it pop. So I can just go here and choose pop. Ta-da-da! You see it becomes sharp and has this feel on the full design. Understand? So I think that's just it. So I'll save. So I think that's all we have for today. See you guys in the next video. So you can check the before and after the picture. You see that the one that we use pop actually came out better and sharper. So see you guys in the next video.